Hello friends, today's topic, good news, Wipro and Reliance 1:1 bonus. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Today I am covering three topics. Topic number one is, yesterday evening Wipro Limited announced a 1:1 bonus issue of shares. This means shareholders will receive one free share for every one share held as of the record date. Record date for the bonus issue of shares will be intimated at a later date. This is the first instance since 2019 that the company will be issuing bonus shares to shareholders. This will also be the 14th instance in the company's history that it will be issuing bonus shares. Wipro is one of the companies with the highest number of bonus shares to its shareholders. It has issued bonus shares 13 times to its shareholders in 1971, 1981, 1985, 1987, 1989, 1992, 1995, 1997, 2004, 2005, 2010, 2017 and 2019. Wipro bonus issue of shares is good news for retail shareholders. As of the September quarter, the company had 21.92 lakh retail shareholders. Wipro quarterly results. Revenue July-September 2023 22,516 crores. July-September 2024 22,302 crores, and the change is minus 0.95%. However, the net profit has jumped up a lot. July-September 2023 net profit 2,667 crores. July-September 2024 the net profit 3,227 crores and the improvement 21%. Good results for the company. It was better than analyst expectations. The shares rallied by 3.7% today. Wipro shares target price, Nirmal Bank says rating is hold, target price is 600. Motilal Oswal rating neutral, target price 500. Antique Stock Broking rating hold, target price 575. Wipro's closing price today was 549. Let us see the rally can continue. Topic number 2 of today is Infosys shares crashed by around 4.5% today after it announced its quarterly results yesterday. Results were average and below expectations. So investors must have done profit booking after almost 50% rally in the last 4 months. So TCS and Infosys reported below expectations quarter results, whereas Wipro and HCL Tech reported good results which were better than analyst estimates. So IT sector results have been mixed. Topic number 3. Reliance Industries Limited has fixed October 28, 2024 as a record date for bonus issue of shares. It had announced a bonus issue of 1:1 in September 2024. This is the sixth instance of the company issuing bonus shares to shareholders after 1980, 83, 97, 2009 and 2017. As of June 30, Reliance Industries had a total of 33.7 lakh small retail shareholders. Reliance Industries shares have fallen after its weak quarterly results. Also, in the last 3 weeks, its shares have fallen around 11%. So the overall economy does not look very strong since large companies of various sectors are not doing very well in this July-September 2024 quarter. There could be some slowdown in India too, similar to other economies. We need to wait and see the official government GDP figures in the coming weeks. End of the video, here's the question. Which company in your portfolio has the highest market cap? Type the company in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.